record? Don't go too far. So my dress is from Bourgeois Boutique. Hey guys, so right now I'm just getting ready to go to our birthday event at a Taco Tuesday. But yeah, this whole week was very productive. Of course, I had to work. I just got back from Vegas. If you haven't saw that vlog, I'm gonna put a link in the description box. I had so much fun. I feel like Vegas like is my second home. And what else did I do this week? Of course, I uploaded. Worked on new videos, new content. Yeah, and of course I always turn up. So, oh, and we updated the website. If you guys don't know, me and my mom have our own business, Bourgeois Boutique. I'm gonna have a 20% off discount code for you guys in the description box. So I just need to hurry up. I need to leave within 10 minutes. Well, 20 minutes. I'm gonna give myself 20 minutes, and I still haven't taken a shower yet. And I like to do my makeup first, then hop in the shower, because the steam, I feel like it makes my makeup look better. So, oh, and I still don't know what I'm wearing tonight. Oh, another thing. So I made this comment in Vegas. I'm gonna say this once, and then I'm gonna let it go. I don't like how my family don't support. So I said what I said in this comment, and people think I was talking about my mom, but my mom, she supported me more than anything. I'd rather her support me more, like Kim Kardashian and Chris. Oh my god, my shirt looks so bright on camera. It's not that bright in person. Oh, I'm rushing. I'm supposed to have been out by 10:45 and it's 10:56. For my lips, I'm just gonna do a nude lip. This is the same nude I did in Vegas. I showed you guys in detail how I achieved this lip combo. I might post a video here for you guys to see. But yeah, let me hurry up. I need to do my hair, find the shoes, and the purse. So I'm about to put these back on and get ready. I need a pencil sharpener. We leave soon. Okay, I don't have, oh, it's here it is. So I was thinking about my YouTube process, and it is slow compared to other people, but I know I shouldn't compare myself to other people, but I do. Well, in this aspect, it's like somebody commented and said I should have more subscribers than I do, and I do agree. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, what I'm lacking. I don't know, because literally I try to post every week. I feel like content that I post is stuff that I like to watch, like other YouTubers. I like watching what they do, so I did my own variation of that, and I don't know why people are not receiving me like that. I don't know. So you know what, I'm gonna think about it tomorrow. I'm about to enjoy my night and then think about it tomorrow. But my dress is really cute. I'm gonna show you guys when I get to the place, if I ever get to the place. Hopefully it's crowded by now too. And I'm taking you guys with me. We just finally got to the club. We left, it's across the street, and we had to park over here. I'm about to finish this though. But yeah, come on, let's go. So we're about to turn up after I finish this. Cause we can't bring it inside, of course.
Where you at?
So we at Taco Tuesday. I can't even think straight. So we're at Taco Tuesday, and it's gonna be a party. Hopefully she has a section, so we don't have to stand all night. But yeah.
Shit, we better beat it on the shit and keep the ladies non-fist. Watch out for the pressure. This West Coast so mine and fuck anybody. Listen, nigga, listen. Whack. Tryna slap me, we gon' let it slap. Cross the line, it's too late, you can't take it back.
Okay, so you see what we do what?
I'm just gonna get it.
I'll try again. They left already.
Girl, it's a fight. I have to tell you later.
They left already.
It was a fight.
La Louisiana.
There was a fight. That's
They
not.
left?
That's not La Louisiana.
What's that? What's that?
Aloha.
They left.
Yeah.
Who fought?
I'm gonna tell you later. Are you recording?
No,
I'm
okay.
gonna tell people business.
So we wait till it's night.
In the morning.
In the morning. You see little.
I gotta escort you out. Attack us.
Okay.
Look, who called me about that?
The police are right here.
That's security.
That's not the police.
That's top flight security.
That's the police.
That's security.
That's the police. I won't go over there. That's police.
Well, it's security. Come on.
That guy right there?
Come on.
That's police. Yeah, that's police. I don't have a ticket.
Are we doing Denny's?
Hey, you want Denny's or McDonald's?
I don't want McDonald's.
You want Denny's? Denny's?
Yep. Wait.
I almost got hit by a car, y'all.
No, you didn't. Let's go. Yeah, go on the other side.
Okay. So we're just leaving the club now, guys. I want to say something, but I forgot to say it. Damn, what did I say? Help me. I was gonna say something. What's going on over there? Yo. It's gonna take me a minute to remember. But look, what's going on over there? They all turning up in the parking lot. Damn, I was gonna say something, but anyway. Hopefully, if I don't remember, I'm gonna talk to you guys in the next video. But I had so much fun. Of course, I always have fun when I go out. I try to make the best of it every time I go out. Man, I was gonna say something. Anyway, I can't remember. But anyway, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. That's it. I hope you guys have a great night, and yeah, see you guys in my next one.
You recording? Oh.
Yeah.
Why?
I said I want the new phone.
No.
She said no. I want a new phone. I heard that the camera's better. She don't want to hear it. Anyway, I had so much fun tonight. Turn music. Let's turn music down because I'm on the copyright.
That's
YouTube, nice. You guys doing the copyright issues. I'm turning music down. What you want to say?
I mean, how much did you have to drink?
Not that much. I had a few shots at home. I feel like one guy bought me a drink.
Yeah, okay.
The camera right there. She won't say nothing.
Because you know it's more than one guy.
One guy buy me a drink.
They really gave us small? They could have hit us.
Hello, welcome.
Hi.
Alright, thank you.
That's it? Wait, you ketchup?
Put some in there anymore.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Why are you yelling? Turn off that light. And grab the phone.
Alright, home.
Say bye to your
Wow.
Ashland's. What do you call your?
I'm gonna post every week. So I'm gonna see you guys on next week. That's the next time I see you guys. And please subscribe to my channel. I'm fun, guys. My vlogs are fun. I turn up. I talk about my business. I talk about vlogs. I talk about my business.
Tell us what you want us to talk about.
That's it. That's it.